In this chapter, we are pleased to discuss the technological advancements of the F-35 Lightning II, showcasing why it's considered one of the most advanced fighter jets in the world. The F-35 Lightning II is renowned for its unmatched stealth technology. Its design incorporates radar-absorbing materials and innovative shapes that minimize its radar signature, making it nearly invisible to enemy radar systems. This stealth capability allows the F-35 to operate undetected in contested airspace, giving it a significant tactical advantage. Another key feature of the F-35 is its advanced avionics and sensor systems. At the heart of its avionics suite is the AN/APG-81 Active Electronically Scanned Array, or AESA radar. This radar provides long-range detection and tracking of airborne and ground targets, enabling the F-35 to engage threats with precision. Complementing the AESA radar is the Distributed Aperture System, or DAS. The DAS consists of 6 infrared cameras mounted around the aircraft, providing a full 360-degree view of the surrounding environment. This system enhances situational awareness by detecting and tracking incoming missiles, aircraft, and other threats, allowing the pilot to respond quickly and effectively. Additionally, the Electro-Optical Targeting System, or EOTS, combines forward-looking infrared and laser targeting capabilities in a single sensor package. The EOTS allows the F-35 to identify, track, and engage ground targets with pinpoint accuracy, even in challenging weather conditions or at night. One of the most groundbreaking technologies of the F-35 is its sensor fusion capability. This technology integrates data from the AESA radar, DAS, EOTS, and other sensors to create a comprehensive, real-time view of the battlefield. This information is displayed on the F-35's advanced cockpit interface, providing the pilot with unparalleled situational awareness and decision-making capabilities. The F-35 also features a cutting-edge helmet-mounted display system, or HMDS. This system projects critical flight information, targeting data and sensor imagery directly onto the pilot's visor. With the HMDS, pilots can maintain situational awareness and engage targets without looking down at traditional cockpit displays, significantly enhancing combat effectiveness. Another technological marvel is the F-35's propulsion system. The Pratt & Whitney F135 engine powers the F-35, delivering superior performance with high thrust and fuel efficiency. The engine enables the F-35 to achieve supersonic speeds without afterburner, a capability known as super cruise. The F-35B variant also features a unique lift fan system, allowing it to perform short takeoffs and vertical landings.